sex versus gender, and the role thina amadoda should play in dismantling the patriarchy. Under this patriarchal system, 90% of homicidal victims, abantu ababulawayo, every year, 90% are men. Under this patriarchal system, 93% of perpetrators, abantu ababulala abantu, are men. Under this patriarchal system, 79% of abantu abacommit suicide are men. Under this patriarchal system, 70% of abantu abanganamakhaya, homeless people, are men. And also, under this patriarchal system, 60% of abantu abama-drug addicts are men. So obviously, we can say patriarchy is explained as a social and a political system in which men are dominant. Yabo? Mara as ama-stats asho ukuthi in this patriarchal system, most men ayabhajiseka. So therefore, it is our responsibility as ama-gents, as men to play our role in dismantling the patriarchy le engasibhekile. Yangithola? So sex versus gender. Judith Butler is an American lady, yabo. He speaks about sex versus gender. Uthi umehluko phakathi kwendoda nobudoda. Yangithola? Umehluko phakathi kwendoda nobudoda, sex versus gender. So sex is biological, imvelo, yabo. Indoda umuntu onentshebe, indoda umuntu onesifuba, indoda umuntu who has male genitalia, umuntu onetotolozi. Yangithola? Indoda leyo. But ubudoda is not ukuba nentshebe. Ubudoda is an act of being a man. Understand? Ubudoda is, for example, in some cultures, indoda, like ubudoda, umuntu uhambile wayentabeni wayoluka. Yabo? If noma ungaba na 40, if awuyanga entabeni wayoluka, you will never be considered or you will never be regarded as indoda. You understand? Whereas in some cultures, indoda or ubudoda umuntu okwaziyo ukuvikela umndeni wakhe under any circumstances. Ayukuthi if an issue arises wena uthatha umsila ufaka enduni, that is not a man. Noma ungahamba entabeni ufika uluke, but if an issue arises and wena as indoda you have to protect umndeni wakho and you fail, so failile as indoda. Yabo? So sex, indoda is physical, then ubudoda is an act. So obvious, ama-acts of ubudoda come from ama-stereotypes. Yabo? And firstly, ama-stereotypes, sonke siyavuma ukuthi ama-stereotypes are wrong. Even though ama-stereotypes are created from ama-patterns. Yabo? Ukuthi if this type of people behave in this particular way, therefore a pattern arises from that labo bantu sesoba classify in a particular box. Yabo? Mara merely because of stereotypes that exist doesn't mean ukuthi labo bantu labo they belong kulelo box lelo. Yabo? For example, there's a stereotype ukuthi abeZulu. This is the best stereotype. Obvious. I don't agree na the stereotype. Stereotype engizowasho ne. I'm just making it as an example. There's an example ukuthi abeZulu are violent. Yabo? Mara that's a stereotype. Doesn't mean ukuthi mozalwa nje default you're born as a violent person. There's a stereotype ukuthi people of amaXhosa ayaxoka, they are liars. Yabo? And again, that's a stereotype. That doesn't mean by default, if you belong in this particular tribe, therefore you'll display like lawo traits. There's like stereotypes ukuthi abantu baseLimpopo they practice magic. Yabo? That's a stereotype of it. That doesn't mean by default mozophuma kuleyo ndawo leyo. So now lawo abilities of magic nayo yonke le thing. Yabo? Ngifuna ukulinka lama-stereotypes langa to ama-stereotypes of being indoda. You understand? Ukuthi there are stereotypes because Judith Butler athi thina as abantu asazi ukuthi what is a man and what is a woman. Yabo? So sibheka to ama-stereotypes in which we think ukuthi they confirm ukuthi yini indoda, what is a man and what is a woman. Yabo? For example, there's this stereotype ukuthi indoda ayikhali. Yangithola? I'm not agreeing, nor am I disagreeing with the stereotype. Yabo? But if masithi mina ngikhule ngaleso stereotype ukuthi indoda umuntu ongakhali, then sengina 20, then ngibona omunye umuntu ofana nami onentshebe whom supposed to be indoda, like physically supposed to be indoda, mara i-behavior yakhe does not align, ngimbona khala, does not align nale idea le engakhula ngiyibelieve ukuthi this is what defines a man. Into leyo izongishaya like izo create ama issues ukuthi mina ngizohamba ngiye kulabantu laba abangitshele lento leyo ukuthi indoda ibehave kanje, then ngibagroupe so attack lo muntu lo who's indoda mara indoda ekhalayo, ngoba obviously like dating iba against like our beliefs, iba against our foundings of what is a man, uyangithola. So gcine sekuba yithi abantu abakhule kule system le regardless ukuthi indoda ayikhali, gcine sekuba yithi amaphoyisa, gcine sekuba yithi i-government esi-instillayo leyo idea ukuthi indoda umuntu ongakhali, indoda umuntu odlala ibhola umuntu othanda ibhola. For example, mina personally I don't even like ibhola, ngithola, mara it doesn't mean ukuthi I'm less of a man, yabo, because kunabantu abangazi ukuthi yini indoda. Abantu bazokubona mebudla ice cream, yabo, like cabanga ukudla ice cream has nothing to do with your sexuality, but kunamadoda who are so insecure with being indoda because they do not know what is indoda, yabo. It comes from not knowing what is indoda, because these people they do not know what is indoda. So if bazobona indoda idle ice cream, cabanga, they assume that as being like homosexual, and again, like homosexuality is umuntu ola uthanda abantu in the same gender, yabo. I-ice cream is an object mfethu, yabo. So angeke ubone umuntu adla ice cream then you can assume ukuthi that's gay. Like ayenzi sense, there's no correlation between lento lo mabaccusa ngayo nalento le ayenzayo, yabo. Ngeke ubone njengami njengoba ngisho ukuthi I don't even like soccer mina, ngeke ubone mina ngithi mina ngilincane ibhola then all of a sudden suthalo ngathi akekho 100%, akekho straight. Like there's no correlation mfethu, uyangithola. Angeke ungibone ngikhala, yabo, inhliziyo yami ibhlungu then all of a sudden so doubter ubudoda bami just because ngibone ngidespair ama-emotions. And wonke umuntu uzalwa akhala, so ukukhala like is not something umuntu ayidecide, it's part of their biology, uyangithola. It's part of our biology, it's part of our sex, uyangithola. Mara because thina as abantu we creating this construct ukuthi indoda umuntu o-acta kanje, indoda kumele abehave kanje, indoda nani nani, izinto ezicreate inkinga, ezicreate ukuthi some men baba aggressive. And I'm not aggressive towards like ladies, baba aggressive towards thina. 90% njengoba ngisho 90% of abantu abafayo every year who are killed every year is men, uyangithola. So labantu laba whom are insecure about their masculinity, and masculinity is a gender, then male is sex, uyangithola. Abantu abangekho secure ngokuba ubudoda babo, like ibafaka in a box ukuthi mekazobona omunye umuntu oyindoda angabehave ngale stereotype lesi yena akhule ngaso sokuba yindoda, it creates an issue. Lo muntu agcine sekaba violent towards labo bantu, yabo. Nokuthi abantu like ukuthi indoda umuntu ongakhulumi, indoda umuntu ofela phakathi, dating like ayikho grand, uyangithola, ayikho grand. Kumele thina as guys we must reevaluate what it means to be indoda and redefine, uyangithola, and reconceptualize what it means to be indoda, not because we are fighting GBV, not because like ezinye izinto, because like it's important first for thina sizazi ukuthi mengithi ngiyindoda what do I mean mengithi ngiyindoda, before sophuma to defend GBV, before sophuma to defend abanye abantu ababa nama issues. Kumele thina ngaphakathi, you as an individual first kumele uzazi kuqala and ube secure in your masculinity, ube uwazi ukuthi yimi indoda, yabo. And indoda umuntu oyenza kanje na kanje, noma ngahlangana nawe udla ice cream ungashaywa amahloni, yabo, ukuthi bazothi angikho straight or anything like that, uyangithola. So obviously I would like us ukuthi as ama-gents open a discussion and talk ukuthi kahle kahle what is indoda and what defines ubudoda, uyangithola.